on. And in what font would you like that?
Bring me Sebastian Graves.
Oh, Lucy's tail's wagging, so you know she's playing.
Is this the movie? No, it's not. Let's get to the movie.
Stop.
Oh, that's hilarious.
I disagree. Ukrainian Ben Affleck.
Oh, hello, is it?
Okay.
What movie are we watching?
This movie that I found, something called The Night Before, which I'm not sure what it is. Did I just do it wrong? Oh, there it is. Okay.
Oh, this is good.
Oh, you seen this one?
No, it said it looks good.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, he needs to stop changing the name.
Who?
I'm talking to myself. There's plate right there, honey. Where? Oh, sitting out for you. Thank you. Time to go beast mode.
Is the homemade marinara okay?
Aww.
Haley doesn't like it. They're so picky, Haley. It's crazy.
Haley, stop being picky. God.
She's so picky. Your popcorn's over here.
Hi,
Eat
honey.
what we give you.
Shut up, Lily. You'll drop.
Hi, sweetie.
Your popcorn's over here.
You done playing?
Hey,
You have to get it
Oh.
yourself.
look at me.
Can you
Let's see.
What?
Alexa.
Marinara can't be that bad.
Play good songs on Spotify.
No.
Okay, whatever.
Is it not